Just pour some Coke over the stove burners, and you'll never have this problem again. That's right, folks. After this tip, your stove will never be the same. And for that, here's what you're gonna do. First, take a container. Then add 1 glass of Coke, which gives us around 200 milliliters. Put it in here. Now let's also add some dish soap, okay? We'll need the same amount, 1 glass of dish soap. I'm using this white one, but feel free to use whatever you prefer. Dish soap in. And now let's also add 1 tablespoon of baking soda, alright? Put in the baking soda, then go ahead and give it a good mix. And now just finish it up with half glass of water. It can be tap water at room temperature. Then mix everything really well again. And now, folks, our mixture is ready. So here's what we're gonna do next. You're gonna take these parts from your stove. These are the burners, and as we use them, check how bad they end up. They get all burnt, sometimes also rusty, full of food residue and grease. And this mixture is exactly for cleaning the burners. So go ahead and put the burners into the mixture. See how dirty they are? They can get a lot worse than that. And if you ever tried cleaning this before, you know how tough it can be. And ingredients here, folks, especially the Coke, they have a great cleaning power, alright? So it's gonna help a lot in cleaning the burners. Now let's go ahead and put them all in. Just make sure they're all covered in this mixture, alright? You can also put in the covers, because they usually get quite dirty and rusty too. So let's go ahead and put them in the mixture as well. Alright, after placing all the parts in the container, let's wait for 20 minutes. This way the mixture will work on the pieces, making it really easy to remove all kinds of dirt and stains. After the time's up, folks, now let's grab a sponge. And with the green side of it, we're gonna scrub all the pieces. And look at how it's gonna easily remove all that grime. Isn't that just wonderful, folks? Check this out. Not even putting in much effort here. It's much easier this way. And like I said, along with the other ingredients, but especially the Coke, it's got a great cleaning power. It softens up all the grease, making it super easy to get rid of all the dirt. Check this out, folks. It's really fantastic. Alright, now let's go ahead and rinse everything. And there you go, folks. Process done. After washing, just dry them off. And look at the difference. Pretty satisfying, right? So, there you have it. If your stove burners are dirty, try making this mixture at home. I'm sure you're gonna love the results.